Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your Redmi 13C device in both lock and unlock manners. Basically we have two reset options. One is soft reset and another is hard reset. Soft reset doesn't erase all data but hard reset does. So in this video we are talking about hard reset, and if you guys don't know about your phone password, so don't worry, I'm giving the method so you can wipe all the data without your phone password. Before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from this channel, and leave a comment below for further tips and tricks. Okay, now let's start. If your phone is unlocked and you want to erase all your data, so just go to settings and then press about phone. After about phone, just scroll it down to factory reset. Then click factory reset, and then all you have to do just to erase all data. Right now I am not erasing all the data from this step, but if you guys want to erase all data, just click on erase all data. Then your phone data will be start erasing, and it may take some time to erase all the data, and your phone will again reboot. After that there will be no data in your phone. So this is the one method. But if your phone is locked and you don't know the phone password, so all you guys to do, just power off the phone. After power off, all you guys need just these three buttons. So just press power button and volume up button at the same time. After that, release power button and then volume up button also. Then you guys see we have reboot, wipe all data and connect with MI assistant. We want to wipe data, so all we guys just need to press volume down button for downward and then press power button to select. We have two more options here, back to main menu and wipe all data. We need to wipe all data, so just press volume down button and then press power button to select. After that, just do confirm. Then your all phone data will start wiping and your phone will be restart. After that, then there will be no data on your phone. It may take some time. Okay, now data wiped successfully, as you all guys see. Then we want to go back to main menu, just to press power button, and then we have option of reboot here. So just reboot it by selecting power button. We have two options, reboot to system and back to main menu, or we want to just reboot the system. So just press power button here and our phone is restarting again. After restarting, the phone data will already be wiped. So that's it about the video. So if this video helped you guys, don't forget to like us. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just like the video and follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.